Friends, my today topic is Power BI and data visualization. I want to convey the few definitions with you. So let you understand few definitions, what they are, and then we will proceed. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. So your data might be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based or an on-premises hybrid data warehouse. So Power BI lets you easily connect to your data source and visualize and discover what's important and share that with anyone of or everyone you really want. So Microsoft Power BI is a powerful and versatile visualization technology that is widely used in data analysis, especially in business data analysis. Power BI can be used by business analysts to build interactive reports and publish these reports for consumption by an executive audience. Alternatively, the reports can be shared among us collaborators looking to drill deeper into the data for themselves. So, what is the importance of data visualization? Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data by using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. Data visualization tools provides an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. So, conveying information in the form of visuals such as charts and graphs. These graphs includes charts types like line chart, bar chart, and so on. They will consist other visual elements such as maps and icons, etc. The visuals and so first we understand what is data visualization. It is data visualization is a tool for conveying information in the form of charts and graphs, and we can use in our graph and charts visual elements like maps and icons, and the visual element together gain insights from facts, numbers, and measurements. Especially those insights might be a lot harder to extract by just looking at undefining under under undefining data. Which for this reason, these visuals are important mean for gaining the information or for gaining the insights from the data. So visualization software allows anyone, even someone who does not possess high level numerical or analytical skills, gain insights from data. And this is why a famous quote said, a picture worth a thousand words. So, visualization has some very specific use cases. You can use visualization in order to quickly spot outliers and errors. You can use visuals to identify trends or patterns over time. You can use to find relationship between variables, and finally to summarize complex statistics. As we shall see in many demo lies ahead of us, there are ahead of us. So this is a powerful tool and common type of visualization that are tailored to each of these use cases. So within the specific context of Power BI, you should know that Power BI has Power BI desktop and Power BI service. So the Power BI desktop app is a great environment within which you can construct reports by pulling in data from different data sources, plotting interactive visualization, and compiling visuals in reports. Then, once a report is ready, you can go ahead and publish it to the Power BI service. So, Power BI includes a variety of built in interactive charts. They can be built from data and compiled to form reports in Power BI desktop. And reports can be shared with the target audience via the Power BI service and the mobile app. We can use Power BI through mobile app too. And this is a very great application. So the person who are not who doesn't have time to use a laptop, they can easily access by using reports by using Power BI mobile app. First, target your audience. You should know who is your audience. Because audience is the person who really want to know the information, and the who is the audience that may need to know some another kind of information, like analysts and scientists can be presented with technical information, and they may spend more interacting with charts from their laptops, and they will get to know the what is the cause behind the things or behind the calculation. But upper management may need more high level data, and they may only need reports from their phones, because they are not analysts, or they don't want to spend much time. So similarly, if our end user is not a technical expert and not much educated, so we should represent our data in the form of graphs so they can understand easily what is the difference. And Power BI includes charts with different degrees of interaction, and their display can be customized for mobile devices. It's an important feature, important that you need to select the right kind of visualization. Like for granular data representation, you should use tables. For trends over time, you should use lined charts. For conveying geographical data, like for any city, like for any country, you should use maps. And for different categories comparison, you should use column charts. For proportion of with category, you should use tree maps, and there are many more options in Power BI too. So you can visualize your data in different way for conveying your information to the end user. First and most important thing, make it easy to interpret data. Use tooltips to provide context and additional information so that by hovering you can easily get the information what is really required. And display your values on the charts. Do not expect the audience to make inferences from element size, because audience doesn't want to work or go inside by work. They just want to see the report and want to get the information about it. One another important thing, please use your colors in report generation effectively. So color can be used to convey additional kind of information. Use intuitive colors like green for positive, red for negative. Use a color scale for numeric data. And if you have too many colors categories, use grouping to simplify your visualization. So this is how we should use our colors. One last important thing, in any format, make your data readable in any format. Expect that some of your audience will look at your visuals on the Power BI app, and spend time on mobile layout and make sure charts are rendered correctly. So use contrast in your layout so elements are clearly visible. Means if you are making any comparative chart or anything, many of the people won't go to the report. They just see the charts to gain the information. What is right? What is wrong? What is the most selling product? What is the most profitable product? In which state we have more sales? So this is how we should create report, and this is how the data visualization is so much important. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.